This is Hauser Auto Gear 0.7 mm mechanical pencil. This pencil costs rupees 40. This is auto lead pencil. That is, while we write, the lead comes out fluently without a click. First time we have to click, and then automatically while we write, with the friction it makes, it automatically moves the lead outside. Nice mechanism, nice design too from Hauser. Looks fantastic with multiple colors. The black with shiny metallic colors looks fantastic in this pen. This is the automatic mechanism. As we write, it produces a friction, so automatically the lead comes out. Comes with a small eraser at the top, but the lead, the black color is not very dark even after breaking the lead test. Once we break the lead and then we write, even though it is not making a dark impression. A standard 0.7 mm tip, moderate black color, but the auto gear mechanism does its job. Thanks for watching.